Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to install or download Reddit app on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the App Store application on your iPhone. Once you open the App Store, click on the search button at the bottom right. Then click on Search Apps, Stories, and more, and search for Reddit. Then click on the Send button. Once you search for it, locate the Reddit application and click on it. Now go ahead and click on Get. You'll be prompted to type in your Apple ID account password or double click on the site to proceed. So go ahead and do that. After that, go ahead and click on Sign In. Now, once you click on the Sign In button, hang on for your Apple account to confirm your Apple ID password. Now go ahead and click on Install from the pop. Then afterward, the Reddit application is going to install on your iPhone and then you are good. So that is exactly how to install or download Reddit app on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.